Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dor, this is Grid13, and today I'm going to show you exactly why Grid13 is such an awesome system and how it can help you. So, what is Grid13? Grid13 is a system utilizing AI to write you blog posts automatically that helps Google and AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and all the good stuff to actually see your business. The next time a customer searches for your business or your products, you want to be the first one that AI and Google will recommend, right? And here is exactly how Grid13 do that. First of all, my favorite tool inside Grid13 is the blog post, okay? This is where all the magic happens. Essentially, whenever you register to Grid13, AI scans your website. Also, search online for your competitors, on what keywords they track, how they perform, and it gathers all this information. And here on this blog section, you can see all AI generated blog posts. And of course, all the images are AI generated. As you can see, this is one of the examples of an article we built for this client. As you can see, all high quality images and content, again, all written by AI using the most updated Google's and AI's documentations and the settings they really like in order to actually appear on the first results in each and every one of them. Here you can see Google report on that specific article and exactly what he thinks about it. And we here in Grid13 making sure that all of the articles we build for you are the best suited for both Google and AI. Of course, you can change in here everything. You can replace images. You can upload of your own, whatever images you want. You can have AI generate new posts and images for you. You can crop everything. You can change everything. You can, do essentially whatever you want. You can also change the text. You can just mark something. You can highlight it, make it bold, ask AI to change something inside that text. You can modify everything. Once you've satisfied with this blog post, you hit save. Okay, I'll discard those changes. You hit save and you press on approve and queue. Once you press on approve, it comes here on this approved section, as you can see here. On the previous section here, we saw all the blog post ideas, meaning 156 blog posts the AI generated for this specific client. Now, we don't want AI posting stuff on your website without you knowing and approving first, right? So all of these are AI ideas. Now, here you can approve or disapprove all those ideas. Once you approved an idea, you can go ahead, press on publish now. And what it does, as you can see here on the published section, all the blog posts this user was publishing on his website, right? And as you can see, this is a very beautiful article. And of course, in every single one of those posts, you can see a clear button that goes to your main website, right? Now, after I published a blog post, and I can see here published and live, of course, I can see the post. I also can see here, whenever Google actually approves this and sees this post, right? It takes time. It's important to know. It takes time for Google to actually know, and AI, by the way, to actually see the post you published, because they search every single day for billions and billions of websites, right? So this is why it's so hard to actually appear on top or one of the first on every single niche. This is why all of those blog posts are so important. The more blog posts you prepare here on Grid13 and publish under your subdomain that we created for you, all those AI models, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, all of those, and Google itself will actually see you. Okay, this is why it's so important. And this is why I like this feature the most. Now, more cool stuff you can do inside Grid13. First of all, we have the competitors section. You can see all the tracked competitors this user chose to, to track. You can see down below a lot of useful data about each and every single one of those competitors. And you can always compare that to your situation and see where you can do more, right? Because you want to appear in the best place, right? Now, you can also track more and more competitors, and you can also remove those competitors, you can edit those competitors, you can choose whatever you want to do with them. Now, the same goes with GEO. GEO is basically AI visibility. It stands for how and if AI models actually sees your business, because the default is they don't. If you want to appear in AI's answers when clients search stuff like, where's the nearest restaurant near me? Where is the construction building company in Israel? You want to be the ones AI actually recommends, right? So here you can actually see that. You can see all those AI models, right? You can see questions we actually asked those AI models, and you can see whether you appeared on that or no. And as you can see here, this is a graph by time for that specific user. This user worked with us about 2 months, give or take. Now, as you can see, it started with a very low visibility score of 20%. Now is at 95%. So AI almost always recommends him whenever clients ask about certain things regarding his topic, his niche, right? And you can see all the questions we ask the AI about you. You can add more questions if you want us to track for you that you think that your customer might search for and you want to appear on the top, right? And also you can generate more of those AI questions. You can choose them. Once they're on the list here, you can actually track them and see what AI thinks about you, right? You can add your own questions, you can delete, you can edit, you can do whatever you want, okay? You should choose what questions matter most to your specific niche. Now, one more super cool thing I want to show you is this keywords section, okay? This keyword section is basically the basis of all the system here, okay? These are the keywords you choose to target. Once you choose keywords here, and you can see on the right side, all the volume, the monthly search volume for those keywords, this user, which is us, by the way, those are the keywords we chose to track, okay? And we also can add more if you want. We can generate more if we want. You can choose exactly what keywords you will track. So essentially, you can choose what keywords AI and Google will see you at, okay? You can see the monthly search volume, as we said. You can see all these cool data points about those competitors, and every single week you get a new report on how you actually progress in regarding to AI and Google actually sees you on those specific keywords. So here on Grid13, you always know exactly where you stand. How much did you actually make progress? Okay. Now, this is the coolest thing here. All those AI questions you chose earlier, all those competitors you chose earlier, all those keywords you just chose here, right? All of this actually matters. How does it matter? When you want to write a new blog post, you go to this button, you press on write your own idea, and you can choose out of the keywords you approved earlier. Okay, you can choose to target a specific keyword, let's say SEO, or you can let AI actually choose for you the one he thinks is most important right now for you, the most valuable keyword for you to track, and he explains exactly why. Okay, as you can see here, he chose me content marketing. He says it's a massive opportunity with this much amount of searches a month. This is highly good keyword to track, right? So let's go with AI chosen word, right? Now here on the bottom, I can help the AI and tell him exactly what I want him to write about on this specific new blog post. We are generating here a new blog post, by the way. Or I can press on suggest with AI and let him see the keyword I already chose, read about me and my business and my competitors and the AI questions and everything on the analytic we track for you. And then he suggests a topic for the next agent, right? The agent that will write the blog post about. He helps him understand exactly what to build this blog post about, and we are emphasizing him to track that specific keyword. Now, if I press on create post, now the real magic happens, right? You can see here, it's actually generating the blog post as we speak. It generates all the images, it generates all the text, and then it checks everything, making sure both Google and AI actually will be able to see this specific post, because we know exactly how SEO and GEO, Google, AI models actually see your business, okay? So to sum it up, Grid13 helps you appear on Google and AI models whenever potential clients search for your business or your niche, okay? If you have any questions, we are always here to help. Just contact us here down below. Have a great rest of your day. We are really looking forward to working with you. All you need to do is sign up now. You have a 7-day free trial. You can sign up right now down below. And yeah, let's get started.